Hi, today I want to talk about sweet potatoes. We started all our own sweet potato slips. These are golden nugget sweet potatoes from last year's crop. Ideally, you would let these sprout in a warm, dark, dry place before you actually put them in the soil. In this case, we did not do that. We planted them, or I planted these before they sprouted, but this is what a sprouted sweet potato would look like. It is at this stage that you want to bury it in a trench about 6 inches deep, maybe a little, 4, 5, 6 inches. It really doesn't matter that much. And then you want to bury them like so. Now we already did this before they sprouted, so I've got many sweet potatoes under here. Some of these are, and I put the black landscape fabric on there to make it a bit warmer in there so that they would sprout and grow faster. A sweet potato will give you 3-4 clippings off of one potato, so that you can, if you plant them early, you can have an early set. And here in the south, I can plant these now, mid-April, all the way to early July. So there's a large window where we can plant sweet potatoes. And doing it this way, you'll get a first set of slips come out. You cut those out, and then 3 weeks later there's a second. 3 weeks later there's a third. And 3-4 weeks later there's a fourth. So the earlier you plant these, the more sets you get out of them.